PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair is a trusted provider of commercial HVAC repair services in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Our team of skilled technicians is dedicated to keeping your business running smoothly by ensuring that your HVAC system is always operating at peak performance. We specialize in repairing all types of commercial HVAC equipment, including air conditioners, furnaces, boilers, and more. Contact our Commercial HVAC Repair today. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. How often should commercial HVAC units be replaced? A commercial HVAC system will typically last between 10 and 15 years. This indicates that by adhering to best practices and collaborating with maintenance and efficiency specialists, you can extend the total system lifetime by approximately 33%. Can an HVAC unit last 30 years? It is extremely unlikely that your unit will last 30 years before requiring replacement. What is your service area for the Allentown, Pennsylvania office? Our local commercial HVAC repair have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Allentown, Breinigsville, Fullerton, Coopersburg, Quakertown, Northampton, Macungie, Schnecksville, Westwood Heights, Emmaus, Cherryville, Trexlertown Town, Zionsviller, East Greenville, Germansville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Allentown, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC repair office located? We are located at 1132 Hamilton Street number 203, Allentown, Pennsylvania 18101. Our phone number is 610-672-3042. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Hamilton-ST-Allentown-HVAC-service.